Good morning and a quick transition to start the vlog. Much better. Okay, everyone. Here's the fit for today. And today we are doing, well, this vlog is going to be the prep for my trip. Okay, let me set you up. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how excited I am for this trip. It is probably one of the biggest trips that I'm gonna do probably for a while. Well, this is the start of something. I'm going to tell you where we're going, I promise. So, here's what we're doing. Right now, I gotta go get my nails done because this is what they look like now. Because we have photo shoots on this trip, we gotta get French tips. And I think I'm gonna go with the round French tips. I think that's the way I'm gonna go, which is gonna be awesome. And I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm super excited. Tomorrow, oh, and then today we're gonna plan our outfits. Tomorrow I have to pack. I might even pack tonight, because I leave on the 13th. Today is the 10th. Tomorrow I have my hair appointment. Oh, I have a few days. On the 12th is just a family day. I'm gonna relax. So I probably, like, this vlog will just be the prepping, the making the outfits, the just kind of everything. So we'll go with my Steves. My Stevies. Let's go. Okay, I'm about to go in, get my nails. Here is the transition. And here are my nails. Not what I wanted, but you know, this is the next step to it. Kind of disappointed. This was like my new place, and now I'm kind of like disappointed in all of it. So, yeah, I'll figure out what to do later on, I guess. So we have a couple outfits we gotta plan out. We have the photo shoot day. We have another photo shoot day, which I don't know if I'm gonna have my own stuff, what that kind of all looks like. So I'm gonna bring a bunch of different outfits, and I have everything set up so we are ready to go. So I'm gonna create these outfits. I'll come back and then we'll bring them to life and put them on the rack. So kind of here's the setup of the clothes are gonna go. There's my phone, all that stuff. The day's over. Tomorrow I have my hair appointment at 10:30. Gonna do something special to it. So, super excited to show you. Anywho, that's all we have for tomorrow, and then we're just gonna continue packing. This is gonna be like a marathon. We're gonna take a few days to pack. And we already have things scheduled and booked, and I'm so excited. I'm not gonna say anything yet until tomorrow when I announce where we are going. Good morning. Okay, so I am all packed and ready to go to the hair salon. I'm just kind of putting on the final pieces, so let me show you. So we're gonna go with this shirt today. It's cute little, makes my hair pop after it's done. Flare jeans and then cowboy boots. So yeah. And I'm also bringing a jacket just for self-conscious reasons. Anyways, so my bag's all packed. I'm bringing my makeup because I don't have makeup on. And I want to like wear makeup for the photos after. So we're going to do that. But there you go. Cute little boots. Let's head out to the hair salon. Yay! So to kind of like tell y'all what we're going for, because where I'm going is a lot of behind the scenes and like stuff for this project. It's so hard not to say what we're doing, but I get to tell you guys later. Okay, I'm at my hair appointment, and I literally drove in. Someone was before me, and they're circling now because I took the only spot left in here because I was patient on driving in, and this guy was backing out. I was like, thank the freaking Lord. Anyways, so we're gonna head into my hair appointment, and yeah, I'm really excited. I don't really truly know what we're doing. I'm kind of letting her just do what she wants. Okay, so we're not going full platinum because I was like, I'm not ready for that. Because I still want some like dimension in my hair. So you guys are going to be very well surprised, but I'll videotape the process. gorgeous blonde. Steph is literally so amazing. I'm putting her Instagram down in the description. She's so amazing at what she does, and I'm just so grateful to know her and that she's so great at hair and that she has time for me because I headed home to pack. Guys, we are headed, here's the announcement, to Orlando for photo shoots, recording sessions, and a lot more, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So next vlog is me traveling, packing, traveling, like everything. I think you're gonna see studio will be in 2 vlogs, so I'm just so excited. So let's get to it. Yay! Okay, so obviously we already have the first photo shoot outfit line up. So now what we're gonna focus on is just kind of like my everyday outfits, and remind you everything, what I've told you, what we're gonna go do, everything is gonna be shot behind the scenes as well. So outfits have to be on point there as well. So I have a long packing list. I'm gonna grab my computer. I already have like the cute, fun outfits picked out that I'll be in while like I'm in the behind the scenes. And I have to make sure like I do 6 days worth of outfits, and then we can go with the workout, the bedtime, the everything like that. So I'm packing 2 days before we have to go, but I just want to get it done. Like, I'm not gonna be wearing most of the stuff anyways. Then we have to pick out my flight outfit, so let's get on it now. What I'm gonna show you is gonna go into my suitcase, and then like 1 outfit and 1 swimsuit will go into my backpack just in case my check bag gets locked, which hopefully that does not happen because I'm terrified. Okay, so this is the very long list of everything we have to pack, but so far this is just gonna be the clothes, so let's go through that now. So what we have is we have a pink swimsuit, we have a bandana swimsuit, we have this snake swimsuit, and the chain swimsuit, which you guys went over crazy when I did these in TikTok. So see-through like blouse, because just in case like I want to wear like jean shorts, I'm gonna have like a nice shirt to wear with it. I might take this, I'm not 100% sure. I feel like it's just a lot of stuff already. These biker shorts and this cute little crop top, just in case we go to like Universal City Walk or something like that. Like, I don't want to like stress out about having like a nice outfit on. These jean bell bottom pants that can go with this white one piece. These black sparkly shorts that could easily go with this, oh my goodness, cute little crop top. Like comfy, like tan 2-piece set that I am like actually obsessed with. This next shirt can actually go with the sparkly black shorts. That's actually why I bought this. Pink sweatsuit, super cute, pink shorts, and then this black bodysuit turtleneck thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible outfits, so I could wear those every single day. And honestly, I might. So we might just pick out some game time, bedtime, workout sets, and then shoes. So we obviously have white boots that go with this stuff and the sparkly heels. Holy crap, I'm bringing a lot of shoes. My workout shoes, my Dior Steve Madden, and my nude heels. I don't know if I'm gonna bring these. Actually, I'm going to bring these, but I should probably bring wedges instead. No, I'm bringing these. Next, we're gonna do workout outfits, so I'm gonna go pick those out and then I'll be back. We're gonna do these jean shorts and these jean shorts as well. Also gonna bring this swimsuit because I think it's really cute and I could probably do a photo shoot with it. Okay, now that we've done all that, I'm gonna get my bedtime stuff now. Bed set 1 is this plaid on plaid. I know I'm gonna bring this shirt because it goes with my jean shorts. Here is my next set. Is this black and white, like white striped black set. And then these shorts, and I'm gonna get a t-shirt for it. I have this shirt for sleeping, these shorts with this shirt, And then I'm bringing this Howdy sweatshirt. Shout out Howdy. Do 7 pairs of socks. I think that is truly it. I think that's everything I'm gonna bring. Now we just gotta fit this all into a suitcase. Which we might as well just do right now. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna start packing into the suitcase and you guys get to watch. So let's go. The packing is complete. All we have to do is my backpack and my purse. So this is the checked bag. It doesn't feel like 40 pounds, so we should be good to go. My backpack is gonna be super light. Like, I fit all of my clothes in here. I'm actually super proud of myself. All we have to put in that backpack is my Steve Maddens. I'm not taking the nude heels, a swimsuit, and then that tan set. And I actually changed my airport fit. I'm gonna wear my bell-bottom jeans and that white bodysuit with my boots just because I wanted to save myself some space because that was a lot. So we're gonna finish packing in the next video, so yay! Okay, well, I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to continue packing with you and to take you on this amazing trip to Orlando on this amazing adventure that we're going on together. So see you soon. Bye.